What up, y'all? Y'all already know what it do, man. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. Pow, pow. Gotcha. See, that's how it's going down, y'all. So, y'all already know, man, it's going down. I'm bringing y'all a hot unboxing and review. It's official. Yeah, if y'all know, on some of my previous reviews, I did the Samsung Galaxy A6. And if you also follow Metro by T-Mobile, they just released the Samsung Galaxy A10e. But today, July 25th, 2019, today, right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, I will be bringing y'all. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Can I pull it out? Okay, we're doing the Samsung Galaxy A20 dub 20. All right, you know what I'm saying? Now, the Samsung Galaxy A20 is a very elite phone, and I'm super excited for all my fans, all my subscribers to bring y'all this phone. I can't wait to unbox it. Let me give y'all a few of the specifications before we pop it open, and at the very end of the video, you know I'm gonna give you the standard manufacturer sale, full retail price, and the different prices that you'll get based on the promotions you qualify for. Now, some of the specs, of course, we got a 1.8 GHz Octa-Core processor. There's also dual cameras in the back. There's two cameras, not one, two cameras. So we got a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel rear facing camera. On the front of the phone, we have an 8 megapixel front camera. It's going down, y'all. Y'all got to check this out, man. Samsung bringing that heat for the summer, y'all. We're going back to school with this one, you dig? Now, 4,000 milliamps on the battery. So typically about 24 and a half hours of talk time and up to 324 hours of standby time. That's a lot of hours, guys. A pretty powerful battery. This phone does have 32 gigs of RAM, so you can store plenty of photos, videos, applications. No worries, you can store it all here on the A20. It also has 3 gigabytes of RAM, so you can know that you're gonna be able to pack all your information and do a lot of multitasking. And last but not least, it is expandable up to 512 gigabytes with the micro SD card sold separately right here at Metro by T-Mobile. So y'all, the display size. The phone does have a very large screen. I'm gonna pop it open for y'all so we can check it out. It's 6.4 inch infinity display, 6.4 inches top to bottom. The aspect ratio is gonna be 19:5:9. Security measures for a lot of my friends and family, and a lot of you guys leave your comments below. I know you'd be concerned about the security measures that the phones have. It does have face recognition technology. Also, it packs a fingerprint sensor and the PIN, pattern, or password. So there's about 5 different options of security that you can use on the new Samsung Galaxy A20. Now we're gonna get this phone open. Let me get my razor blade. All right, children, don't try this at home. Make sure you have an adult or somebody with you when you decide to open up your phone. This is brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile. I'm excited, y'all. Now, like I said, if y'all seen the A6, y'all go check that out. That A6 was a monster, but honestly, I'm super excited about this A20. Why? The screen size. Why? The 3 gigabytes of RAM. Why? Because it's Metro by T-Mobile. Now, opening up the box. Here we go. Comes in a sleeve here. As you can see, I just slid that out there. Then we open it up here. We have a, looks like a box here inside the box. Let's see what we got here. We have the terms and conditions, health and safety information. We're also going to have the quick reference guide. So if you're not too familiar with how to use the device, or I missed something, you can always go back into the quick reference guide in English or Spanish and check out some of the features that it's packing. So that's what comes in this little box here. We got any other goodies here? It's pretty empty, nothing else in there. No other surprises from Samsung. So bam, here we go, guys. We get to the meat, get to the cut through all the extra and get down to the nitty gritty. So we're gonna save this for last. Here's the phone. Also inside, we're going to have the standard SIM card. You're gonna use this to establish your network connection. We're also going to have the wall adapter and the USB Type-C charger. Yes, we love Type-C, super fast, rapid charger, and it is Samsung original. So you can guarantee that your phone will charge effectively and efficiently when it comes to charging your device. Now, to the phone, guys. Let's open it up. We're going to check it out. I know y'all excited about it. Samsung Galaxy A20. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell y'all the price of it. So I ain't going to tell you yet. First, let me tell you about the phone, y'all. Now, like I said, it does have the 4G LTE connectivity. And it is 6.4 infinity. It is 6.4 inches Infinity HD Super AMOLED display. It's going down. I'm going to put all this information in the comments and in the specifications and the features on the video, so make sure y'all check it out. Let's turn this on here. So on the side here, we have the power button here. We also have the volume up and volume down keys. Can y'all see that? The power, volume up, volume down. On the back here, we also have two cameras. I told you that we have a 13 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera. And we're also going to have the LED flash. We're also going to have the fingerprint sensor located here on the back. On the front of the phone, we're going to have an 8 megapixel front camera. So really cool. Technically, this phone has 3 cameras. Really cool stuff, guys. I'm really excited about this. I'm just ready to power it on, y'all, right? You're like, man, Miguel telling me all about this. Turn the phone on. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. All right, so let's turn it on, guys. Here we go. Samsung Galaxy A20, secured by Knox and powered by Android. Swing by today, guys. I can't wait for you guys to check this out. Super large screen. I love the design. Looks like the screen is going to reach from edge to edge. So you're getting the full 6.4 inches. And it's compact. I love the finish. There's like this shiny, it's almost like a shiny metallic kind of finish on it. Can you guys see that? It's like a shiny kind of metallic finish on that. Very nice. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like they put a lot of effort into manufacturing the device. So let's turn this on here, press back. So it says let's go on the standard screen. And like I told you guys, it's going 6.4 inches top to bottom. So that's really good stuff. We're just going to go through some of the features and some of the different things that the phone does. Let's just go through here. Let's go. Let's hit that button there. Check out some info. Yeah. We know all that stuff. We're just skipping through it. What I want to do, guys, is get it to the main screen so you can see how it'll look for everyday use. So let's skip this for now. We'll hit next here. And we're just rolling through some of the deals here. Skip anyway. We're not trying to set up any Wi-Fi right now. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I'm just trying to get y'all to the meat of it. You know, we're gonna skip the salad and we're going straight to the main course. Okay. All right. We're gonna accept all this good information here. Like I said, you can use face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or password. So there are several measures that you can use for security measures for your device. We're going to select not now at the moment, skip anyway. And it says that we can get recommended apps. We're not too worried about that right now. Once you have the phone, you'll have more time to sit down and play with it and take your time going through some of the different features and all the things that the phone can actually do. It has Bixby. That's a new way to interact with your phone. Spotify, Samsung Pass, Health, and of course, the Galaxy Store. So a lot of good stuff, tons of information that this phone can do here. Look at this, finish. Boom, we're just gonna hit finish right here. And there we go, guys. There is your Samsung Galaxy A20. Looks pretty standard here. Comes with your Galaxy Store, the Gallery Play Store. Here's your phone to make phone calls, text messages. Let's see, how do we get to the applications? Okay, so to scroll to all your several applications like calendars and calculators, all you're gonna do is simply scroll up. And they're there. I love what Samsung does with these phones. They keep it simple and sweet. So we go through here. I like how the icons are nice and large. So if your vision isn't so well, the icons do pop out very good. They're not really small, so I do like that. And you just scroll through there. So make sure you guys come check it out. Now let's go walk over here because I know y'all ready about the price. You're like, okay, he even told us about the phone. It's got 2 cameras. It's 13 on the back and 5, 8 megapixel on the front, It's got fingerprint sensors. It's got Face ID recognition. A lot of cool features, right? So let's get down to it. What is the price? Okay, the price, guys. Standard full retail price is $239. But guess what, y'all? Guess what, y'all? When you switch today, coming over to Metro by T-Mobile, you get not one, two A20s for what? Gratis is what they say in Spanish. But what we say is free, y'all. So swing by today, 4840 West Charleston Boulevard is going down. Leave your comments below. Let me know what y'all think about the Samsung Galaxy A20 brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile. That's genius.